Alright, in this video we're going to talk about adding polynomials. If you notice, I have two different polynomials here. I have a trinomial, which is right here, alright, and then I have a binomial, which is right here. Alright, and so what we're going to do here is we're going to combine like terms. Combine like terms is like you want to add or subtract the terms that are exactly the like. So the first thing, there's many ways to do this. There's a vertical method and then there's the horizontal. This is the horizontal, but I'm going to go ahead and line them vertically so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to take 3x squared and just write 2x plus 4y. And I'm going to line up my terms with each other. So I'm looking for 4x, so I'm going to put 4x right here, and it's a positive because that's what's in front of it. And then the other one is a minus 7y. If you notice, we don't have anything under 3x squared. All right, we are adding, so I'm just going to bring these down. So it's 3x squared, 2x plus 4x is 6x, plus 4 and minus 7. Now remember, plus 4 minus 7, you have different signs. Oop, I wrote it backwards. You have different signs, so you actually subtract these guys. Alright, so in this case I have a plus 4 minus 7. And when I do this, I subtract them. So 7 minus 4 is 3. And because 7 is bigger, it's a negative. So this actually will be a negative 3y. Okay, I can't combine any other like terms. I can't mix any of these up. So I can't put the x squared with the x because they're two different terms. In my class, I call the terms like family members. You can't put the x squared family with the x family, and you can't put the x family with the y family. They're different families. You just don't mix them. So this is our answer for adding polynomials. So let's try a subtracting polynomial. Okay, so I'm going to do a subtracting polynomial with you real quick. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and create a problem that's really just very similar. It's the exact same thing, except I'm going to go ahead and put a minus sign between them. So it's the exact same problem. Okay, and if you notice right off the bat, the first thing you need to identify is the operation between the two parentheses. And if you see, there's a subtract here. This is a little different. We actually have to distribute that negative to everything inside the other parentheses. So this negative is going to get multiplied to this, and it's also going to get multiplied to this. So it's going to change those terms. So I'm going to rewrite it. So it's 3x squared plus 2x plus 4y. And now it's going to be a minus 4x, and then a minus times a minus is a positive 7y. And now we can do what we did earlier. We can just kind of line up my like terms, do the vertical method. And so I'll change this and do it in different color. So it's a minus 4x now, and it's a plus 7y. Alright, I don't have anything for 3x squared, so I'll put 3x squared. 2 minus 4 is a negative 2x, and a plus 4 and a plus 7 is a plus 11, so this is a plus 11y. Again, I can't combine anything. I can't put an x squared with an x. I cannot put these two together because they're different family members or different terms. Now let me kind of briefly tell you what a term is. A term, this right here is a term, this here's a term, and this here's a term. They're also called mononomials. This is a mononomial, this is a mononomial, and this is a mononomial. Alright? What separates it is the plus and minus. That's how you have different terms. Alright, so in this case we have three sections. You know, otherwise there's three mononomials. There's, like I said, they're separated with a plus and minus. So this is called a trinomial. Alright? Trinomial. The one up at the top here, that's a mononomial, that's a mononomial. It's separated in two. So that's called a binomial. Monomial is 1, binomial is 2, trinomial is 3. Anything after 3 would be a we just call it a polynomial, fourth degree polynomial.